Are you looking to make money with ClickBank? If so, then you will want to check out these marketing secrets that can help you make a lot of money. Find a profitable niche. There are a lot of niches out there, but not all of them are equally profitable. Do your research and find a niche that has a lot of potential. Choose the right products. Not all products on ClickBank are created equal. Some are better than others. Do your due diligence and choose products that are likely to convert well. Promote your products effectively. You need to get the word out about your products if you want to make sales. There are several ways to promote your products, including social media, email marketing, and pay-per-click advertising. Find the method that works best for you and put in the effort to promote your products effectively. Keep track of your results. It's important to track your results so that you know what's working and what isn't. Like and subscribe today so you will never miss a post. Please don't forget to comment in the comment section so that we get the opportunity to improve. For more details, please visit www.SKDashOnline.com.